back to my channel. It's Nara here today. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends, leave some comments as well. So today's video, I'm going to be surprising my best friend for her 19th birthday. So yeah, basically she doesn't know that I'm coming over or anything. So yeah, I'm really excited to see like her reaction and everything. So I'm going to be going over. I know you guys are so tempted to skip to the end, but I'm gonna stop you here. Don't skip to the end. Make sure you watch the whole process and everything from the beginning till when I surprise her. So yeah, don't skip. So I'm just going to show you guys the behind the scenes, the planning process and everything. So her birthday is tomorrow, which is 19th June. And you're probably watching this video after. But yeah, anyway, so yeah. And this month, this June, has like, it's filled with so many people's birthdays. So you're going to be seeing like a lot of birthday content from me. Because my birthday is also in June. Yeah, so my birthday is June 24th, if you didn't know that. But yeah, anyways. So let's go. Please like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned till the end. Okay, yeah, so let me just tell you guys like kind of the plan. So I'm baking cupcakes for her. I'm also making cookies, I think. I don't know if I have enough time, sure. And then I'm also going to like blow these balloons, like these helium balloons, 1 and 9, because she's 19. Sorry, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, because I was thinking of just giving her like a small balloon, but I'm like, okay, let me just go all out, kind of. And yeah, so I also got her a gift basket. So I got like a lot of, no, not a lot of things. I got a couple things for the gift baskets, which I hope that she's going to like. But yeah, I'll show you guys the gift basket later. So yeah, that's just basically the whole plan. And then I'm going to go over to her place, knock on her door, and she'll be like, OMG, who's that? And then she's going to see me. I'm going with my sister and my mom, because like, yeah, because there are lots of things to carry, and obviously I can't carry everything by myself. So yeah, funny thing is that yesterday I actually made cupcakes already. But then I literally used the wrong recipe, so it turned out very, very weird. I don't know if I should show you guys, but yeah. So I have to redo the cupcakes today, and then yeah, so I'll go tomorrow afternoon because I also have work like later in the evening. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how the cupcakes turned out. You guys, literally, please don't judge me. You know that I know how to bake. Like this is like not me, okay? But yeah, don't judge me, sure. So this is how it came out. Like it still tastes so good though. Just like this part is like really crunchy, like cookies. So I think I don't even know what I did, man. But yeah, so it's kind of a mess. But like my family members are still going to eat it, so that's fine. So you guys, it is currently 6:26. I have not baked any cake. My sister and I are literally so lazy. I hope she can hear me. But yeah, so hopefully I'm going to start baking by 7. So my hair is even scattered. I'm actually tired, but because like honestly I just don't have energy, because yesterday I really put all my energy into baking that cake and I messed it up. My sister and I messed it up actually. But yeah, so by 7 when I start baking, I will check in with you guys. So bye. You guys, when I said that I'm a baker, is that what you call it? But yeah, anyways, you guys, so I just finished baking the new cake and I'm so happy because it turned out so good. Thank God. Like I was so nervous. I'm like, if this cake turns out bad, I'm going to give up on my baking career, and that's it. But yeah, anyways, it turned out really good. We thank Jehovah. So this is it. I made more than this, but like this is the one I made for Angel. These are the ones I made for Angel. I'm gonna give her 12 cupcakes. They look so good, and I put Hershey's inside if you're wondering what like the chocolate thing is. Take a good look at these. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, I know I've been wearing this shirt since I started this vlog, but please don't even judge me. But yeah, anyways, so right now I'm making the icing, as you can see, and I'm going to make it blue because I don't know, my sister said she likes blue. But yeah, so I'm gonna make it, ice the cupcakes and shower and get ready to go. But I'm not gonna go looking like this. I'm gonna, you know. But yeah, anyways, see how myself just staring at. But yeah, I'm so excited because everything is turning out nice so far. Then I'm going to blow balloons and do everything. So yeah, I'm excited. And I spoke to Angel last night, and it's just so funny because she has no idea that I'm gonna come today. And I was really like, oh, what are you doing? She's like, oh, she's just gonna chill and everything. So I'm like, crazy. Yeah. So I'm excited. Let's get it. Icing, and look at how it looks. There's this thing should go on my phone. But yeah, it looks so good. Wow, we tried. Should we put candles? Actually, no, because I don't know if she has light or anything. Behind the scenes, we're trying to wrap it. So I got a couple. Like, I couldn't find the pants that would fit a lot. So it's so nice. Hi, mommy. You're going to be recording when I'm giving her the stuff, right? Where are you from?
I'm not from anywhere. Oh my god.
You can't even know. You won't even think about the pan or anything.
Please tell that we made this cake.
Wow, like,
bro.
We're too good now. Like, what? This actually looks so good. This is this basket, and then put Happy Birthday Angel on it, and then fruit wine, pack of lip glosses. This is so nice.
No, she's not.
A few things in there. Yum. And a candy and a scented candle. But yeah, so we're going to wrap it now. Oh yeah, I did this myself. We did come with the baskets. So yeah, we're ready. Thanks, mom, for your help.
Thanks, mom.
Can you reply me? But yeah, okay. So right now, guys, I'm just getting ready. This is what I'm wearing. I'm not really doing too much because I have work like right after, so I'm just gonna go give her the stuff, come back, get ready for work, and go. This is my outfit. Nothing too much, just simple, but still cute though. But yeah, anyways, I'm ready. I think I've actually lost weight too. See now. See now. Gifts. Wow, they look so good. Then balloons, and that's it. So Hershey's, fruit wine, lip gloss sets, Nerd, some candy, glass bottle, and so some, what do you call it? Scented candle. But yeah, so we're off to surprise her. I hope you guys stay tuned. It's gonna be so funny. Like, I can't wait to see her reaction and everything. If you've reached this far in the video, go drop a purple heart in the comment section. But yeah, drop your purple heart in the comment section if you're still watching. Of course, you're still watching. But yeah, anyway, so I just got a card for her. And yeah, so we're going to blow the balloons now at the dollar store. And then I think I'll buy some more chocolates, like fill the basket. And yeah, what else? Yeah, that's it. And then we'll go and see her. Now we're just waiting for my sister, who's always late. I'm joking. But yeah, anyways, we're just waiting for her so we can get going. You guys, look at my skin now. Wait. It's not that bright today.
Are we going for? Say that you won't look dressy.
Yeah, cheers, let's go.
Come on. We look so much alike, right?
Fit check. Where's your top from?
Sarah.
Jeans.
Zara.
Zara everywhere.
One Chinese woman. I don't know.
So anyways, look at how the gift basket looks under the lights.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we just got here, so I'm about to like go into our building because we find parking space, so my mom can't actually come out with us. So sad. But yeah. Okay guys, so we're going now. I'm just so excited. So I'm about to enter her building. Ches, are you good? Okay. Wow, this cupcake is smushed, but I beg. I hope it's actually 34 because the number is.
I don't know, man.
Anyways, happy birthday, Angel. You already know that I love you so much. Thanks for being
Happy
such an
birthday.
amazing friend and sister. Yeah, take a record. You guys imagine if this took wrong number. Okay. You can. Where's Angel? Casey. Okay. Because I had to do this. Happy birthday!
Come and get her reaction. Sorry.
You're actually
Wow, I bought this for you. I already have. Wow. MG, you look so good though. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Me cookies. It's kind of smudged in the car, so. Oh, does it have work?
Yeah. No problem. Okay. Ooh, happy birthday. Guys, so it was a success thanks to my sister for her hard work. Shout out to my mom for driving. We thank God for good. And now we're leaving because I have work so today. Whew, wow. Is it sure you not take pictures for me today? My skin is popping. I just don't know. Are you sure you not take pictures for me? Supermodel. Come on, give it to them. Thanks, mommy, for your help. Okay, guys, so I'm home now. Everything went as planned. It was so good. I'm so happy. She was so happy and shocked. Like, she never expected it. It's so funny because I was talking to her for so long last night and like she didn't even think that I was gonna come. And I told her see you soon and she was just confused. But yeah, anyways, thank God. What else? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe as well.